Ta delavnica mi je zelo všeč. Rada snemam filme. Spoznala sem veliko novih ljudi pa prostovoljcev.
Na delavnicah je bilo zelo zabavno, pa veliko smo se naučili. Pa najboljše mi je bilo pa, ker smo toliko dobrih ljudi veliko spoznali.
Všeč mi je dober, ker imam dobro skupino. Jaz ima 2, no bili smo 4.
Fajn zaradi tega, ker je veliko otrok, ki spoznaš nove stvari, montaža, pa kako se pravilno igra, pa snema.
It's supposed to be like this, but it's impossible. I will bring another step.
Mene je najboljše igrati.
Ja, snemali smo, montirali smo, pa igrali, pa malo smo snemali. Jaz sem snemal večino.
Find that piece, all of them, to continue the movement. I mean, it doesn't matter if you will have like this, because then I can cut and we will together cut.
We got a lot of kids, crazy kids, but very creative kids, and it's wonderful to work with the kids.
You have to stop. That she have more time to walk, you tell her to go further, you know, she will just like this, we fit and
All right.
First, we will show you what is action.
All right. I'm coming.